How to fix current app login problem. First, try checking the internet connection. Make sure you're connected to a stable internet connection. Try switching between mobile data and Wi-Fi. Once you do that, your problem should be fixed. Also try checking the login credentials. Make sure you're entering the correct login credentials. If the problem is still not solved, what you can do is update the app. Updating the app will fix the bugs. Tap on the search icon that you can see at bottom. Tap on the search bar that you can see at top. Type in current over here. Find the application for current and tap on it. If you see the option for update, tap on it. Wait for a while and open the current app. Now you should be able to log in to your account. If you're still not being able to log in, try clearing the cache. Open App Library of your device. Find the application for current and long press on it. Tap on the option App Info. Tap on the option Storage and Cache. Tap on the option Clear Cache. Once the cache is cleared, your problem should be fixed. If not, try uninstalling the application and install it again. Once you do that, the problem should be fixed. You should be able to log in to your account. Like this, you can fix current app login problem. That's it for this video. Thank you for watching.